Fifth one is my personal favorite. Your personal favorite too. What? Goals. My goals. My short-term goals, my medium-term goals, my long-term goals. What are all the goals that I am having? Have a separate pen color for this, please. Goals and what is my plan? One day when you are writing the goal, and the goal is suddenly the goal accomplish பண்றதுக்கு, if you are having something in the idea pad, pick the idea pad, refer this goal and this idea, match. See, wonderful. It's a functionality then. The goal that you had been writing has been matched up with an idea that you had put up in the idea pad. So match together. Start working. Goal setting அப்படிங்கிறது easy. Goal getting அப்படிங்கிறது கஷ்டம். If you are a journal recorder, you are a very good goal setter and a goal getter. Because the ideas are getting merged with your goals. Write the goals. Okay, this guy Manikandan Sundaresan had blasted me for the presentation that I had done on Tuesday, 3rd week of June. 4th week of June, I'm again going to ask him for a chance of presentation and I'm going to do it. That's a goal. That's a goal. Okay, this is the goal. What can I do for the goal? Right. What are all the resources I need to use? Right. What are all the books I need to read? Right. What are all the Wikipedia pages I need to visit? Right. எழுதுங்க. Keep your limbs completely busy. Yes.
Sir, is there any limitation for the tense form, sir, like present continuous or?
No. Journal does not have any syntax. It is only for the subliminals and therapies where your subconscious mind has got a syntax. Subconscious mind works best if it is in the present continuous form. So if you are writing a journal, write in the present continuous form. Okay, this is the goal. I am accomplishing this goal. I am using this material and the present continuous form. Goals is the next one. So
the second one is writing down all the possibilities of overcoming problem with acceptance. And we can use it as an idea pad also. And we are about to respond whether we want to have it as a separate idea pad or a journal. The third one is it is writing down the accomplishments, achievements, and the appreciation that we have witnessed, especially in special moments. And the next one is our goals can be accountable.
okay, right. So problems, good job, thank you. So problems number 1, what's number 2?
Sir, idea mining.
Ideas number 3.
Sir, a sense of accomplishment.
Sense of accomplishment, special moments and achievements. And number 4 is?
Challenges.
Challenges and how am I supposed to overcome the challenges. And number 5 is my goals. Okay, now let us come. I told you how many things that I told you that I promised that you have to write in the journal. 6. Yeah, correct. 6. So the 6th one is very personal, my dear boys and girls. What are the failures? What were all the disappointments? What were all the troubles that I had and how did I overcome it? The last phase is very important. The last phase, your journal becomes a diary. Okay, oh my God, God has been so wicked to me and He has been very cruel. Why all this happened? That's a diary. You can cry. Here you are not crying. You are writing it as a wounded tiger and you are getting up as a pouncing tiger. Okay? So the 6th one is failure overcoming mechanism. To be written in the journal. Failure overcoming mechanism. Today this man insulted me. I felt really bad. Yes, in fact I shedded a couple of tears. But, and the but later on I came up so strong and I felt this. I spoke to myself in this and this way and I started feeling stronger again. Today I felt really bad in miserably failing in this particular competition. Yes, it was very hard to digest. Yes, it hurt, really. But in the next 10 days, I'm going to work and I'm going to come in the whole new level by doing the subliminal. For the next 10 days, I'm going to do the subliminal and I'm going to emerge very, very strongly. Today, my friend did not give me the proper notice. I felt a little possessive when my friend was not giving me the proper attention and she started speaking to someone else and she started giving her attention and time to someone else when I was having a very important thing to be discussed with her. I felt really, really very disappointed. I cannot blame her. But I'm going to work on myself not to get disappointed in these sundry tiny issues. That will happen. இதுதான் ஃபெயிலியர் ஓவர்கமிங் மெக்கானிசம். ஓகே, ஃபெயிலியர் ஓவர்கமிங் மெக்கானிசம் அப்படிலாம் நீங்க எழுத வேண்டாம். நீங்க அதுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது நேம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Say FOAM, FOAM. Likewise, you can fancy it. Good thing, my dear boys and girls, in journal there is nothing to be very formal. ஃபார்மலா இருக்கிறதுக்கு அது ஒன்றும் அம்பாசடர் ரிப்போர்ட் கிடையாது, இல்லை G8 கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் சப்மிட் பண்ற டேப்லாய்ட் கிடையாது. It's your book, so you can be in an informal basis. So, your failure learning mechanism. Last but by no means the least, what could be written? Miscellaneous னு ஒரு காலம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Miscellaneous. The songs that you like, the poem that you like, the people that you like, the natural things that you liked, the movies that you liked, and the joke that you liked, everything can be put up. It has to bring smiles. It has to bring smiles when you are looking at it. So that's the 7th one, miscellaneous. I'll finish up with the 8th one. Sir, this is very unfair. You told that there are only 6, but you are carrying forward to 8. என்ன பண்றது? எனக்கு அப்படியே தோணிட்டே இருக்கு. மாட்னீங்க. உட்கார்ந்து லிசன் பண்ணுங்க. உங்க தலையெழுத்து. 8th one. Happiness prescription. இது ஒரு தெரபியாவே நான் வச்சிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன். Mitra made a presentation on happiness prescription in 2020. Happiness prescription. நான் இப்போ ஒரு 5 லிஸ்ட் சொல்றேன். அந்த 5 விஷயங்களை கேட்டுட்டு நான் இங்க என்ன பண்ண ட்ரை பண்றேன்னு நீங்க எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. Just listen to the 5 itemized things that I'm going to mention now, and then you tell me what am I trying to do here. Okay? So I have this tiny little journal near my pillow. I wake up at 4 o'clock and I take this journal and I open it. I go to a specific page and I read 6 items in that specific page. 4:30, yes, I mean 4:30 a.m. in the morning. By having a little light over my head and I'm opening the journal and I'm reading those 6 things. Number 1, when my dad set up a cricket ball strip on October 21, 2002. I was so excited. October 21, 2002, when dad set up the cricket ball strip for me and I had the bat in my hand. Second one, when whole lot of second year and first year, my juniors, second year students and first year students of my college, when the whole lot of people came running to me and they hugged me, stating that you have brought diamond to our college. You have won the Mr. Bharatiyar University competition. We are all so proud of you and we cannot describe how much proud we are. 1998, September 12th. Second one. Okay? Third one. This happened in April 2004, April 29, 2004. 6 students came running to us in the office. Manikandan Sundaresan, the training officer. There is another person who is the placement officer. Thank you so much for your services, sir. We got placed and we just received the mail that we have got our offer letters. We are going to check the mail. Can we use your computer system in the office to check our mail? I was the trainer for them. And these trainees coming and telling you that they have got the job, and that's because of me. Third one. Fourth one. November 12th. October 12th, 2005. When my father called me, I was doing a Master of Ceremony in a particular college and I was giving a program and I was a professor. My father calls over the phone call, my cell phone. I pick up the cell phone and says that it is confirmed that you're going to become a father. So this is the next one, when this little monkey got conceived. Okay? And then the next one, again going back, 1995, okay, so it was in the month of July, I believe, 1995, when Ram Kumar was bowling the leg cutter and hitting a 6 that takes me from 49 to 55 in the school match between Vishwadipti School and Municipal Boys High Secondary School. I hit a 6 and 55 and I'm batting up like Sachin in front of my schoolmates. Last but not the least, sixth one. இந்த மாதிரி 10 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும், but sixth one. February 28, 2019, exactly at 6:15, first time ever, an upstairs which was used as a gym, which was used as a shuttlecock court, which was used as a baby's running floor, which was used as a meditation platform. I had 6 or 5 students sitting in a chair and starting to attend my session, tiny little kids. And I felt so special that this has finally become an institution. இதெல்லாம் காலையில 4:30 மணிலிருந்து 4:37 வரைக்கும் நான் படிக்கிறேன். Someone tell me what am I trying to do here?
Sir, boosting up your mind, sir.
Boosting up the mind. Okay. Ritan, Kalpita, Dakshin, Vishnupriya. Okay, let's go one by one. Ritan.
Sir, old active memories, sir, whatever we do, which we are not able to forget, sir. So you are not seeing the journal and you're just saying, sir. So I could just understand that this is not just normal old memories, sir. This is like most important and the best
Cherished.
memory ever in your life, sir.
Cherished memory. Yes, correct. You're right. You're right. ஜேர்னலை பார்க்காம எவ்வளவு மனப்பாடமா சொல்றீங்கன்னா அது எவ்வளவு ஸ்பெஷல் எனக்கு புரியுது அப்படின்றான். Good. Thank you. Yes, you're right. Happy memories. Right. Yeah. Dakshin.
Sir, like Ritan mentioned the happy memories, sir, and also like there are certain things when we rewind them, they give us happiness, sir. There was one particular case which you mentioned that we have to write about our failures and how we overcame it, sir. So after that, we also have to, as a silver lining, we also have to look at the positive things which happened to us, the memories which could give us a refurbishing when we go through them. And when you get up at 4:30, only to exclusively read those memories, especially 4:30 is a very great time for us to read things and to gain knowledge and stuff, sir. When you're spending that like quality time on your previous memories, it will be just really refurbishing and it will motivate you to do things in a better way in the future also.
Exactly. That's a very good answer, Dakshin, to that.
Thank you, sir.
Kalpita.
Sir, I feel it is like cultivating happiness. That is, suppose we are not in a state where the certain things is good, and when we go back and read all those stories, especially when it's later, we feel something special that will be undescribable, and we cannot say to the other person who maybe it is your character, but they cannot sometimes understand that. And personally, I feel it like it is kind of repeated stacking of emotions.
Super.
Where we don't write it, but visualize it. Here we are writing.
Super, super. Correct. Repeated stackings. That's smart interface. Good. Yeah, Vishnupriya.
Sir, actually, when you as you are writing this in the journal, it's all your special memories. Sir. So it's like when you are waking up at 4:30 and you are reading it, you are starting your day very special, sir. Like starting your day very happy. If you read this, it feels so special, sir. So you would the day would be very good for you if you read all these special things that you have written in the previous years.
Absolutely. The day will be very special and the day's programming will be very, very effective. Yes, correct. Mridubhashini.
Sir, what I felt when you said this, sir, when you read the written things, sir, you visualize everything, sir, and it will be like a picture, a photography of the past memories, sir. Once we read it in the early morning, it will be very enthusiastic and make it very fresh and will not be very sad at all, sir.
Absolutely, absolutely. Good, good. Thank you. That's a nice answer and that's really smart. Balaji. Balaji.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, while saying this, sir, you have you have like a to-do list, sir, and you have separate
Last.
what to do and what not to do, sir. So you make a to-do list like every day, sir, and it's must for each and every person, sir, to make a to-do list, sir. he should do, what he should not do. So like that, in daily life, we should follow this, sir.
Yes, it's effective. It is pretty much similar to the to-do list of our activities. Good job. Right. It's called as a bucket list. Right. Yes, Brinda.
Yes, sir. Sir, I feel when you read like in the morning or any time, sir, when you read it, sir, actually the surroundings will be like very positive filled, sir, and you will feel like you are living in that moment, sir. Like I personally felt that when we listen to subliminal, sir, actually we will be going to that memory and we will be thinking ourselves, sir. But when you read this journal, sir, which has happened to you, sir, when you go through what happened to you, exactly know what you did, sir. So that time when you feel that moment, sir, it will make you so special throughout the day, sir.
Exactly.
So that time you will feel very special man, sir. So I felt like that, sir.
Yes, what you said in your answer is a very important nucleus. That is, early morning we have got so much of powerful invisible substances that will give us a supremacy power. You're right. Good job, Brinda. Mohit?
Sir, I feel like getting up and reading this in the morning gives you a positive energy boost. It helps you put your problems, fears, and concerns first, then makes you focus on what you want to focus on. It also helps to reflect back. If you have a certain problem, you can look at your ideas you wrote in your journal and solve that problem, sir.
Absolutely, absolutely. Correct. Right. Aswathaman and then Mitra, and we are finished. Yeah, Aswathaman.
Okay. So thank you, sir. So while making a mistake, sir, we'll write it in our journal, sir. And when we keep on reading it, sometimes we might make the same mistake, sir. But when we write it, we can easily remember we made this mistake and we should not do it, sir. And it is used we can also advise others, sir.
Right, that's correct. Thanks for the insight. Yes.
Sir, it would make you feel contented, sir, which would actually boost your energy level. Sir, if your energy level is boost, you would be able to get accustomed with the environment, even if it is a bad. If in the morning, or if you feel that it's going to be a failure moment, sir, or if you're going to pass through some bad moments, sir. If you have your energy level boosted, then that will definitely. If a tiger is wounded after a lot of times, if we even touch that wound, we won't feel that pain, sir. So even if that day is going to be a very bad day, or if you feel something is going to happen bad, sir, if you have your energy level boosted, then that will definitely change it.
Correct. I really like the metaphor of tiger. Nice. That's good. As all of you mentioned, boys and girls, happiness prescription. What we are doing is happiness prescription. It's a best way to start the day. Daily launches system, which we will speak this week, late this week. There are 8 steps, daily launches system, and there also I speak like this: happy memories. So, in my opinion, I want everybody after this class, write it. Tomorrow after the alarm steers you out, I want you to immediately take the journal and start reading the happiness prescription column. So happiness prescription column daily go back to the past. It doesn't mean that you'll have to have 50 or 45 years in the past for getting the happiness prescription. No. You people are 14, 13, 14, 15, 16 years old and you still have happy memories. Dig around. So when you are trying to take the happy memories, you will get one by one. Kettakku bola the journal போட்டுருங்க. I tell you, journal writing la mattum neenga vantingnu vechungalena, phone thodave maattingda. Phone thodave maattinga. ஏன்னா journal writing எழுதுறதுலயோ இல்ல படிக்கிறதுலயோ தான் பிஸியா இருப்பீங்க. ஆனா இதே மீறி journal வாங்கி வச்சிட்டு சார் I had my journal sir, that is in the shelf sir அப்படினீங்கன்னா உங்களை திருத்தவே முடியாது. இத்தனையும் கேட்டு. So you have to write something. You every single day pen down something. You see, என்னுடைய ஃபீலிங்கை நான் வெளியில எப்படி சொல்றதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. I am a kind of a person who will have a lot of emotions, ஆனா வார்த்தையை அதை சொல்லணும்னு ட்ரை பண்ணுவேன். ஸோ இப்போ அப்படிதான். திரும்பவும் நான் சொல்றேன், like a damaged tape recorder. ஏன் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா போன தர மாட்டீங்களா? I cannot show my excitement more than this, because that will do magic. Specifically, happiness prescription list and your goals list. This will turn your life around. It will give you a different interface. Life taste ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும்.